bestie. Welcome to my page. It is day 7. Day 7 unboxing of the Baddies and Budget Christmas Advent Calendar. If you're new here, welcome. I'm on the 7th day, so if you want to catch 8 through 12, make sure you check out my previous videos so you can see those particular unboxings. Alright, so we have a half-liter Discbound system here. And it's an end of life planner. So we got extra disc as well. So if it says end of life, that means it's an estate planner. So this is definitely a must have. So I can't wait to go through this with love and care. And it's a guide for your loved ones, lovingness. Like I said, this is definitely a must have. I served as my father's power attorney when he was living in a stage when he was in rehab in a hospital for a long time. So having everything in one place is awesome. So you have a table of contents and instructions on how to utilize the system. Here is a folder here. I remember seeing someone do an unboxing with a Happy Planner, how the new folders in Happy Planner now, they make them like this. So this would be my first time actually having a folder like this. So I can't wait to use this. And I guess you can put your important documents in this folder for your family members. And it has the stickers. And the first section is personal information. So I can say I am looking forward to utilizing this. So here's your estate plan. And so I do have a notebook I created years ago that I constantly update for my daughter. Alright, you have your final wishes. This is important as well because one thing with my parents, they always said they never wanted me on life support. And those are the type of discussions you do have to have. Not sure if that covers that in this template, but I'm assuming it does. And you do have to have this jot down because you don't want your family members stressed. Like when you're in your final phases, like if you're in the hospital, so you have your assets section, or if you're in rehab, or hospice, they're already dealing with so much. So this is absolutely perfect. The bills and account information, and I cannot wait to transfer the information that I have in the safe for my daughter into this planner. This is absolutely perfect. I've been training my daughter on estate planning since she was little, and when my mother had passed away years ago when I was younger, my dad was instilling the information in me. And so as he was instilling the information in me, I was teaching my daughter all the things. And then after she passed, I already bought my burial spot. I finished paying off that in my early 20s. At the time, I truly didn't understand it. But my daddy told me to do it. And when my dad told me to do something, I did it. So you have your household items here. And I'm just so grateful that I did. Because the funeral home people say, that property, the value goes up so quick and I really got a good value on it. Okay, so you have a children's section. So I definitely can't wait to update this. And if you want me to go in more detail of the individual inserts, let me know in the comments. But I'm absolutely love this. You have a pet section. I don't need the pet section, so I would take that out. Medical information. And I'm excited about this. I really am. Because it's more organized. Like I said, I started writing down my plans and I even have a letter and all that that I wrote for my daughter in this safe and stuff like this, but this will be so, so much better. Alright, so your business information, and I don't have the business information in there, and so I definitely need to add this to it. I need to add some other information that's not in there as well. And so this is just giving me a reminder that I need to do this. And then I need to, since I am older now, I need to make sure that I'm updating it and logins and passwords. Yeah, that's a must too. Like I said, if you're in a hospital, rehab, and hospice, you're not going to be able to give this information to your loved ones. So just having all this there and having it in a safe place so no one else can access it is a plus. And so I have a safe at home, and then I have a safe at the bank. So this is cool. And so far, I'm going to say this is my favorite thing so far that was in the admin box. Because this is so, so important, estate planning. Alright, so you leave a letter for your loved ones. That's the last thing. But I don't see any inserts for that. So I guess you have to add your own inserts for your letters. But that's it, bestie. Let me know your thoughts and let me know if you want me to go more in detail with the inserts in the sections of the estate planning or in the life planner. And these are the extra discs. Toodles!